Good morning, everyone. It's good to be up this morning. It is my day to actually get some things done at home, and I almost didn't get to do that. I still may not get to stay home. I need a day to stay home so that I can like wash my floors and get some little, those little things that never get done because it's like you need 10 minutes and you don't. Yeah. So that's what I'm working on. I already got one project done. I have two more, so we'll see if I get them done before I have to leave. It's one of those days. Surprise, you're going. Anyway, all that to say good morning, and I have my breakfast ready, and I am going to sit down and enjoy some YouTube while I eat my breakfast because I don't really hope I don't have to run. So anyway, my breakfast is bacon, and there's my bacon for breakfast. And if I don't eat it all, I'm going to use it to make broccoli salad. So there we go. So I just got to take a picture of myself because I always push the button thinking I have it on video and I take a picture. I have lots of great pictures, I guess. All right. So I feel like I've lived a lifetime since this morning. So I had my breakfast and then I went straight into made myself two little shelves. Maybe I'll show you in a few minutes. But anyway, made two shelves, cleaned out my refrigerator, tried to solve an issue with my daughter's car again. Somebody's car is always broke or has problems. Never can go very long without having car problems. And then while I was cleaning and doing some little, what would you call them? The honey-do list things. I threw a pork loin in the oven, and then I cut up a squash and cooked it in with that. And then I found some leftover rice, and that's what I'm having for lunch. So I cooked my lunch while I was doing it anyway. And I didn't even record it. I don't know why, but at least I made myself something. So anyway, I'll flip you around and show you what I'm having for my lunch. Okay, so this is the pork loin. I have a little bit of rice left and then some squash. I cut up a squash, divided it in 4 containers. So I have a couple more meals. So it'll probably last us one more meal because I'm sure my husband will want some. But there we go. And it's so good. So I'm making a Caribbean jerk chicken. I have to make the spice thing first. So let's get started. Let's see, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm actually excited about this one. All right, garlic powder, paprika. All right, and then it says ginger, and I'm substituting nutmeg. And then a half a teaspoon of thyme. Well, I wish I could just get thyme this way, don't you? Alright, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves and cayenne pepper. And then we're gonna add it to my chicken. I've made this before many times and I really loved it, so. And it says salt and pepper, so I'm gonna go get some salt and pepper. Making pineapple tanjang chicken. I'm probably saying it wrong. So I'm going to put the chicken in here and then I'll sprinkle it with the seasoning. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to add, let's see, the onions and the peppers and the pineapple to it. So, all right. Okay, so this is the chicken, butter bean jerk chicken. It's all done. I actually put a little bit of water in the pan to cook it because it was a little dry. So, and here's the other one I did. So, it's finally finished. It smells good.